welcome to Wabakimi Fishing and Canoeing Outfitters.
Let me give you a little tour of the place. Right now we're just piecing together our final gear, bringing it down to the water where the plane's going to pick us up and fly us in. We should be catching the flight just before noon. I think this guy might be coming for us right now.
You guys got your maps?
Yeah, we've got the maps.
With that, we are alone. We start our trip, boys and girls, here we go. Noah has us the first fish of our trip.
One of many. So we reached our campsite for the night. We're about to make dinner. We caught a couple pickerel for a little shore dinner. Just gonna clean them up quickly. Alex is gonna set up the tent and we're gonna start this trip on the right foot.
So we just made it to our very first camp on our big Wabakimi trip. This is it. It's beautiful right here.
For those of you that don't know, pickerel fins, also known as pickerel wings, are awesome fried. Woo! That looks good.
It's Took weather this morning.
Right?
I'm just talking to the camera. It's Took weather this morning. A little windy. The sun's not up yet, so I'm hoping it doesn't last all day.
So we're just packing up here and we're going to be heading to Smooth Rock Lake. On our way there's going to be some 2 waterfalls and 3 rapid sets. Should be some good fishing and possibly some potential rapids to run. River kind of dried up on us here. Alex has a big fish on with mono and a jig. He's been playing it for like 5 minutes.
It might just be a snot rocket.
We just pulled to shore. We're gonna try to land him on the beach here.
Oh! What?
Hold your fish, man.
Dude! Woo!
Holy shit.
Wild Kimmy on mono!
Mono line and a jig.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh! 42-inch pike.
17-inch girth. Dude, that was like on a different level.
That hurt. Like I couldn't even hold it. Like I was just like.
So we've calmed down a bit after that huge high on that pike. And now we are paddling down this meandering river to our campsite.
So it looks like upon our arrival, We found fresh caribou tracks and fresh moose tracks. And when I mean fresh, I'm thinking this afternoon they walked by. And they're just all along this coast, back and forth.
Help
Yo, you're on camera. Keep paddling.
the gorgeous boreal forest. A rugged life, but beautiful nonetheless.
We're only a couple minutes in on whitewater here. Man, that's a decent pike.
I just had it beside the boat and was just staring at it.
Oh, dude, that's a nice pike.
This is a nice one. Dude, where the fish at? It's past our lunchtime. It's been a real tough day out here. Just had to stop and have a quick shore lunch to energize the spirit and fuel our bodies. With a little shore lunch. There's a caribou right there.
All right, so it is 7:30. We just arrived at our site on day 6. Lots of nice flat rock. The campsite's right up there.
Cheers to the boreal forest in all its glory.
All of its glory.
We're fishing for trophy northern pike up here in the Great Wabakimi, throwing mackerel-style jerk baits to get those big boys to bite. Let's make it happen.
What'd you catch, Noah?
The worst type of fish out here. Snot rockets.
He's still green.
Oh man.
Nice fish.
And there you have it. So we're on the 2K portage now, and it's a pretty straight trail, but it's so overgrown with lab tea, and it's been raining all night, so they are just soaked.
So wet. So wet.